In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your social media accounts to Hootsuite using Chrome. Whether you're a seasoned social media manager or just starting, linking your social profiles to Hootsuite can streamline your workflow and simplify managing multiple accounts. Let's dive right into the process. First, open up Google Chrome and navigate to the Hootsuite login page. Enter your credentials to access your Hootsuite dashboard, which is your central hub for all things social media. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and select the option that says Manage Social Networks. This section is where you can control all the social media profiles linked to your Hootsuite account. Now, the next step is to find the button labeled Plus Add Social Network. It's usually prominently displayed and easy to spot. Clicking this button allows you to start the process of linking a new social media account to your Hootsuite dashboard. You'll then be presented with a list of various social media platforms to choose from. This could be anything from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and many others. Select the one you wish to connect. This step is crucial for ensuring you're linking the correct account, so make sure to double check your choice before proceeding. Once you've selected your desired platform, you'll be prompted to log into that particular social media account. This might involve entering your email and password or verifying your identity in some other way, like using two-factor authentication if it's enabled. After successfully logging in, Hootsuite will request authorization to access your account. This is a standard procedure that allows Hootsuite to post and manage content on your behalf, so be sure to grant permission for a smooth integration. After you've authorized Hootsuite to access your account, you will need to confirm that the addition was successful. There might be a notification or a new entry in your list of connected accounts signaling that the account is now linked to Hootsuite. And there you have it. Your social media profile is now connected, which means you can post, schedule, and analyze content more efficiently from one central location. Managing multiple accounts becomes effortless as you can now switch between profiles seamlessly within the Hootsuite platform. This is perfect for handling various brand accounts or different personal profiles without the hassle of logging in and out repeatedly. By following these steps, you've streamlined your social media management process, saving you time and effort in the long run. If you have multiple